Hey there, future Amazon stars. Ready to make some serious cash? This is your guide to crushing it on Amazon. We'll make selling fun and easy, even if you're new. First things first, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got tons of awesome tips coming your way. Get ready to learn how to find amazing products, make them stand out, and rake in those sweet, sweet profits. This is going to be an exciting journey. We'll cover everything step by step, so you feel confident and ready to conquer the Amazon world. Let's do this. Are you pumped? Because I know I am. Imagine walking into a store, rows and rows of the same thing. Boring, right? On Amazon, it's the same deal. You've got to be different. That's where product differentiation comes in. Big word, simple idea, make your product special. Think about what makes yours better, cooler, or more useful. Maybe it's the color, the size, or even the packaging. Get creative. Add a bonus item, like a free ebook or a funny sticker. Make customers say, "Wow, I need that." Remember, people love feeling special. Give them a product that makes them feel that way, and they'll choose you every time. Here's a secret. You don't need to invent things to sell on Amazon. You just need to find great deals and sell them for a bit more. Easy peasy. Think of it like treasure hunting. Look for products that are popular but maybe a little too expensive. Then, find a supplier who sells them for less. Boom! Profit. There are websites and apps that can help you find these hidden gems. You can also check out local stores or even garage sales. You never know where you'll find your next bestseller. Remember, the lower your cost, the higher your profit. So, put on your detective hat and start hunting for those amazing deals. Section 4. Supercharge sales with deals. Okay, you've got your awesome product. It's different, it's affordable, and it's ready to fly off the virtual shelves. But how do you get people to hit that Buy Now button? Promotions, my friend. They're like a giant neon sign that says, "Hey, over here, special offer inside." Amazon has some awesome tools to help you out. Ever heard of lightning deals? It's like a flash sale that lasts a few hours. People love the urgency and the chance to snag a bargain. Coupons are another great option. Everyone loves saving money, right? These promotions get your product seen by more people and create a buzz. More buzz means more sales. So, don't be shy, put your product in the spotlight. Section 5. Delivering smiles every time. You know what's better than making a sale? Making a customer happy. Happy customers leave good reviews, and good reviews bring in even more customers. It's a beautiful cycle. So, how do you keep those smiles coming? First, make sure your product is top-notch. No one likes getting something that's broken or doesn't work. Second, package it with care. A little bit of bubble wrap and a handwritten thank you note can go a long way. It shows you care. Finally, be amazing at customer service. Respond to messages quickly and be helpful and friendly. Remember, a happy customer is a customer for life. Section 6. Reviews. Your secret weapon. Imagine you're buying something online. Would you rather buy something with no reviews or something with hundreds of glowing reviews? Exactly. Reviews are like gold on Amazon. They build trust and make people feel confident about buying your product. But how do you get those golden reviews? First, make sure your product is amazing. That's the foundation of everything. Then, provide excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to leave good reviews. You can also gently remind customers to leave a review after they receive their order. Just a friendly nudge can make a big difference. Remember, reviews are powerful. Focus on getting those positive reviews and watch your sales soar. Section 7. Amazon Adventure awaits. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge to conquer the Amazon world. Remember, it's all about standing out, offering great value, and making customers happy. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and never be afraid to try new things. The world of Amazon is vast and full of opportunities. Go out there and make your mark. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next one.